Wow, you guys are really good. Let's see if I got your tape.
Thank you, sir. God bless ya. Well, I think we've made enough business today. Let's go to the corner store, old monkey.
Ooh, ooh, ah!
Alrighty. Hello, sir.
Hello. No monkey! If you think about the monkeys!
Sorry about those monkeys. They are not very friendly. Anyway, I'd like to buy one scratch ticket. I think today's my lucky day.
I think today you're lucky day too. I have only one left. You can win up to $1,000.
Sweet.
That'd be 50 cents.
And I'll take one of those.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Come back tomorrow and see us win. Thank you. Come again. Hey, business is booming today.
Alright, I think my day is my lucky day. Let's see here. 25, 500, 50, 50, 500. Come on, boy. Dad needs a pair of shoes. $500.
We won a bunch of money from that guy named Sing. Me and my dancing monkey. We are rich again. Oh yeah.